Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to use the Mline command in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. The Mline command in Autocad is extremely useful for creating multiple parallel lines at the same time. This is especially helpful when drawing walls, architectural layouts, or any design that requires evenly spaced lines. Using this command can save you a lot of time compared to drawing separate lines manually. To get started, open Autocad and go to the command line at the bottom of your screen. Type MLIN and press Enter. Once activated, Autocad will give you several options to customize how your multiline behaves. One of the most important settings is justification. To adjust this, type J and press Enter. You'll now see three options: top, zero, and bottom. If you choose top justification, the multiline will be drawn below your cursor. This is useful when you want the top edge aligned with your drawing path. If you choose zero justification, the multiline will be centered directly on your cursor. This is the most common option because it keeps the lines evenly balanced around the center path. If you choose bottom justification, the multiline will be drawn above your cursor. This can be useful for certain architectural or structural elements. Next, you can adjust the spacing between the lines. Type S for scale and press Enter. Then enter the distance you want between the parallel lines. For example, if you're drawing walls, this distance could represent the wall thickness. Now you're ready to draw. Simply click in the drawing area to start your multiline and continue clicking to create each segment. Autocad will automatically generate parallel lines as you move along your path. You can also trace over existing polylines or shapes to quickly create walls and structured layouts. Once finished, press Enter to complete the command. The Mline command is a powerful drafting tool that helps create cleaner and more professional drawings while improving efficiency. The more you practice with it, the faster and easier your workflow will become. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.